from Body Nova Fitness Coaching, and we're going to talk about the duck leg press. Now, I really like the duck leg press because that outer sweep of the quads, the vastus lateralis of the quads, muscles at the front of the thigh, those get really pumped up when I do duck leg presses, okay? And of course, with the duck leg press, and the hamstring leg press, all the leg presses, it's the same muscles that are involved. You cannot escape any of the major muscles that are involved, but with your foot position, you can make some muscles work harder than others, and that's what I did with the duck. That's what I'm doing with this duck leg press, okay? I didn't invent it, by the way. I'm not trying to say that I did. Okay, so with this is you have a little bit of a closer foot stance. It's not wide like the hamstring and wide and high. It's a little bit lower, and it's closer together, but what you do is you turn the feet out. So like if you look at old cartoons, Daffy Duck, Donald Duck, stuff like that, you'd always see them, their feet are never straight forward. They're always turned out like that. So the feet are a little bit turned out, and makes you hit that vastus lateralis a little bit more. So you're going to lower yourself down and you just push off. And the rest of it's just like the regular leg press, but you will hit that outer sweep a little bit more. And you may not be able to get as deep as you do with the other leg presses because if your feet are close together, in some people that will make it more difficult for your hips to open up and get down lower. But you will get a high quality workout for your quads. Okay, so that's something to think about with this exercise. It's very effective. It's very effective. I'm usually a little bit higher in reps for this to get this, but outside of that, have at it. It's great if you do it with the horizontal leg press machines or the vertical. The diagonal slanted 45-degree leg presses. It's great on both. Yeah, of course, as I'm going down, you always want to make sure your knees stay over your feet. So if you rotate your knees out, you always want to make sure that your feet rotate with it. Some people get lazy and they don't want to rotate their feet, but with this one, you definitely want to rotate your feet out as you rotate your knees out. You always want the knees to be pointing in the same direction as your feet.